Hello everyone, this is Rooftop Gardening here. So I previously showed you this tub that I have planted with okra, red spinach and spinach plants. So the previously it was completely empty, that there was no single plant growth on this tub. And the next thing that I showed you, that there was only 2 spinach plant that grown out of it. And right now this is the third update that I am going to show you, that this tub is grown with red spinach plant. As you can see, this is the, let me show you, this is the spinach plant, this is the red spinach plant, this is the red spinach group. Okay, so the whole tub is actually 30 to 40% filled. Okay, and I think to the next 2 to 3 days it will actually grown up fully, like every single seed will be growing. Like this is, you can see that this is the small seedling, this is getting out of the soil. Okay, this is this small one, and this is the largest one that I have grown till now. So I will keep you updated after 2 to 3 days. I think it will be like growing completely full, and it will be very beautiful to look at. And it is like up to these 2 to 3 days it is like raining heavily and all the soils have washed up. I will be watering it after this soil dries, and I will fertilizing with NPK 111, give some salt and that organic solution of the mustard seed, and I'll keep you updated. I think it will be very beautiful to look at. So yeah, thank you for watching. I think we can grow together this channel, this Rooftop Gardening channel, as it's a new channel. You can subscribe, and if you like this video you can like, and if you want to be keep updated, then please subscribe and promote this channel to your friend and family. I like the support, and thank you. I'll keep you updated.